guys, in this video I will try to create this Figma file to WordPress landing page. For this one is our Figma file. This one is created by Figma, and I will give you the Figma file in the description link, so you will be able to download that Figma file and upload this Figma in your local in your account. So then you will be able to edit and use that Figma file in your site or in your Figma accounts. So this one is full of Figma landing page, so we'll try to convert that one in WordPress. So for that reason, at first we have to go to our WordPress dashboard, and we will use two plugins, which first one is Elementor, free Elementor, and second one is Contact Form 7. So for that, those are totally free and those are deactivated. So we will just use that two plugins. So at first we need to, and also we will use the Hello Elementor theme. And now we need to create a page. So let's make that page name is this name by this name. So you will be able to use any kind of name, which one is best for you. So after that, you need to click on that edit with Elementor, and now this one is loaded, but we have seen that header and page name and that footer is appearing here. So we need to hide that one by clicking on setting and then Elementor canvas, and then click on that update. So this one is updated now. So at first we need to download that logo from here. Select that logo and click on that export. The logo is downloaded, and also this background. So this one is our background, full background. So we need to download that background from here. So click on that export. So this one is full background, that one is not. We'll just need to download that one, this one, yes, this one. So this just that background. So click on that export. So this one is our background. So this let's know that that section height, this one is 8440. So click on that section, and let's take that two row section. Click on there, and make that one height is minimum height is that one height is this. So make that one padding 0, and that one need to be have a background, which one is this background. Let's upload the background from our local directory, which one is this background. So upload that one, and this one is done, and click on that center position. Make that one center position, and that one will be cover up, and this one will be no repeat. Okay, so this one is perfect now. So after that, we need to make edit that section. This one we have from the top side, and that one will be on the left side, and it will direction from the vertical direction, and it will not have any padding. So at first we need to upload the logo. For that, click on that cube icon, and then drop the image one here, and upload your logo from the local directory. So upload that one, uploaded. So this one size will be 420. So it will be in pixel format. It will be 420. 420 is too big. Let's make that one 320. Then it will be looking perfect. That one will also have max width is 320. And now we need to have some padding from the top. For that reason, we can give it here. So from the top it will be 40, and from the button it will also be 40. So now it's looking perfect. Now we need to have the heading and the text section. That one is too much easy. Click on here, drop down, click on here the cube icon and drop a heading here. So now here will be the first title here, and that one will be Poppins medium and 36 format, and that one is our color. Now so let's go on the typography. This one will be from the left side, and the typography background, the text color will be this, and that one will be the Poppins font style, and this one will be font size 36 and Poppins medium. Yeah, so that one is 36 and this one is medium. So now we have to have some padding from the top side, so go on the advanced or click on advanced. So from the top side it will be 80. My bad, I took that one 800, so 120 is great. So we'll reduce or increase that size, no problem. Now we need to have that another title one here. So let's make that one, duplicate that one, and that one will be from the top side will be 0, and the text will be this text, and the typography will be Poppins 47 bold, and that one will be gray background color. So that one is also from the left side. So background text color will be this gray color and Poppins, and that one will be a bold format. So that one is bold. So this one is looking good, and it will be 47, not 36. It will be 47. That's looking good. So now we have to have some negative margin on the top side. It will be something like that, 20. That one's perfect, looking perfect. So now we need to have a paragraph option here. So the paragraph, it will came from that text editor. Drop it here. The text will be this, and now that one is good. And this one will be have some more space, something like this one. The word will be 60. That one is not enough. It will be like 40. I think 40 and 45. 45 is good, and the next one will be this one. So this one is called navigator. So you can show it from by clicking on that navigator button. So click on navigator first, it will be show up. When you will click on that again, that will be disappear. So now it's 45, and then it will be 55. So this good. Okay, so that text will be on the enter and 40 and regular. So let's make that one, and the color will be gray color. This one is the color, and it will be from the left side, and that one will be enter, and that one will be 40, and no, regular format. So let's make that one 60, then it will be looking more perfect. So this one is looking good. And we need to do another things, which one is that background color. Click on that cube icon, and that background will be from the right side and center. So right side and center is looking very good. So left side and center is looking perfect. So now we can do that pattern. So let's make that one by clicking on here, and here will be the pattern and drop here. So the pattern text will be this text, and that color will be white, and the background color will be this. So at first the text color will be white, and the background color will be that color, and the padding border radius will be 20, and the padding will be like from the top will be 10. Is low, little bit low, so 15 and 15, and left side will be 20, 30, right side will be 30, and that radius will be 30. Yep, so it's looking good now. So make that one updated. and it looks good. So let's see that one. This one is looking good. Yep, it's looking good. Perfect. So this one is our Figma design, and that one is our WordPress Elementor design. So if you want to make that one in the same pages, so let's make that one a link. That one will be on a URL, and it will be the or you and that page. This page will be appearing in same section. So let's preview that one, and when we click on that, it will come up on that same page. So make that one back, go back, and this spacing is a little bit lower, so let's reduce that margin from margin button few negative options, something like 18. It's looking good now. And let's take more padding from the top side, like 140. That one is looking good. Let's update that one, and this section is properly done. Now we can move on that section. So this one is our services for you. So we need to have another section. This one will have one section, so make that one, and that one wide will be this wide, like wide will be 690, like 700, sorry, 700. So make that one 700. So let's look good and have no padding from top any side, and the background color will be this background color. So let's make that one background color. So background color will be, so background we will give that background color from another section. So let's add another container, and this one will have not any padding, and the background color will be this color, and have some border radius from the button side. So border radius will be from the button will be 30, and the left will be 30. So it's looking good. Yep, it's looking good. It's 50, not 30. It will be 50, and it will be 50 also. That one will be also 50. So let's make add that title here. So for the title will be here, drop here, and it will be from the center position, and this one is our title, and that one will be popping 64 bold and that color. So add that color, and the typography will be poppins, and that one will be 64 and bold 64, and that one will be proper bold format, and have some spacing from the top and bottom. This container we have to have some padding from the top and bottom, like 100 and 100. That one is lot more spacing, like 80, that top from that will be also 80, and left and right will be 20 and 20. So it's looking good now. So this one is looking good. Yep, it's look good. So now we have another title here. So this one will be another heading, and that one will be heading 4, and this one will be the title, and it will from the center, alignment will be center, the color will be this, and it will be enter 18 regular. So this one is our color, and it will be enter 18 regular. So this one is the typography style, and 18, and it will be regular, means normal, and that one have some negative margin from the button side. So this one will be few negative spacing from the button side. This one is looking good, so it will be like 20 is good. So let's update that one. So this section is also done. Now we need to have some 4 row here on that one section. So let's come here, and this one is the 4 section. So let's add that one, and we have not have any space padding from top and bottom. This one will give that one custom padding. So let's make that one 30, like make that one, sorry, it will be 30, and button will be 30. Okay, so this one will not have any padding, so this one will not have any padding, so we'll give that one custom padding like 20. Like, let's make that one 20. So this one is looking good. Yep, it's looking good. Not 20, let's make that one 10. And this one will also be in 10 padding. So let's copy that one and paste the style here, paste the style here, paste the style here again. So now at first we need to add an image here. So the image will go here, and let's download that image. This one is our image here. So it will be 2 layers. So let's make that one a component, and after that we are able to download one image. So let's upload that image from our local directory, what we have downloaded right now. So this one is our image. So it will have not 100% wide, it will be like 80%. So let's make that one 80, and this one will max wide to 80. So this one's look good. So after that we need to add a heading. So there will be a heading. So this one is our heading, and it will be on the alignment will be to center position. The color will be gray and Poppins 18 bold. So this one is our color, and it will be Poppins. Sorry, that one will be in Poppins and 18 and bold 18, and it will be on bold format. So let's make that 120. It will be looking more good. So this one is good, and now we can have a paragraph here. So let's add a paragraph here, and this one is our paragraph, and it will be on the center. Sorry, it will be have on the center position text. Okay, so last one will be text just, and it will be on the center position. This one is our center position. Text will be 14 enter and gray, and that one will be the gray color, and this one is center, and that one will be the enter. Okay, gray color, that one's good. And now it will be, let's make that one 60, and that one will be on normal format, and the text spacing is auto, so that one is looking good. Perfect. So this one's looking good, so we can copy and paste that one here. So let's duplicate that one and drop it here. Let's copy that one and drop it here. Let's copy that one and drop it here. Drop it here also, and this one duplicate and drop it here, paste it here, paste it here. This one is the text. Copy this one, and that one spacing is perfect. So let's make reduce some spacing from the top and bottom. So this one will have some negative margin on the top and bottom also. This one is looking good, so let's copy that one and drop it, paste it here, paste it here, paste it here also. So now we can copy and paste the text, rest of the text here. So this one is our second text. This one is pretty much same, so just copy the title and copy the title again. This one is also same title for every single text, so that one is perfect. But those have some different image, so let's select that image and upload that image here. So download it. So the second image will be this, and that one, and I think you will be able to change that image perfectly. So I just changed two image. I just used 2 image from here, so you will be able to change that image, I think. So I know you are very smart, you can do that. So now we need to add another section, which one is on the center position. It will not have any padding, and the button will be pasted from here, paste it here. This one will be on the center position, and that section will have some padding from the button will be like 40, like this one will be on the 80. 80. So this one's looking good. So the button text will be this one. So the pattern will be this. So it looks perfect now. So now we need to design that one. So let's start to design on another section. So this one will have a background color background. So let's make that one happen. So this one is the background. So let's download that one. So this one, that one will have a background. So let's make that one a component and let's download that one. Okay, in PNG format, you need to download that one. And in PNG format, see, this one is just the cycle. So now we need to add another section, which one is a single section. So this one will be on single section. Okay, so this one's good. So now we need to have two sections here in this section. So one is that and another one is that. So one will be just top and another will be on the rest section. So for that reason, it will be from the starting and it will form the center position. And now we can add another section here. So this one is the section on that section. So this section will have the background color and background. This section will have that background color and the images. So let's make that one padding none and background will be this background color. So this one is the background color, this one is the background color. Copy that one and paste it here. Okay, so now we need to have a overlap. So the background will be the cycle background will be on here. Upload that one and it will be on the cover position and no repeat and center and opacity will be 0. I think so. No, that one is not great opacity. So this one will have some low opacity. So let's make that one lower, little lower. This one is perfect. Okay, so now we are able to do that. Now we can have some padding from the top side. It will be 30, no 40, no 80. It will be great. And now we can add another section in this section. It will be from the starting and from the center to center, and the direction will be from the top. So the container is here and we can duplicate that container. For this one will one container and that one is the other container. So first in that first container will be from the starting and center position and the vertical position. So first one will have the title and this container will not have any padding and that one is our heading. So this one will form the center position and the title will be about. So this one will be for 64 bold and pop-ins and this one will be have white color text. Okay, the pop-ins will be pop-ins and it will be 64 and it will be on bold format, and we can reduce the container background overlap. So we need to reduce that one. That one is perfect, pretty much perfect. So now we have to have this paragraph here. So let's add that paragraph also here. This one will be here and that one is our paragraph and it will be on that center position. The color will be gray color. So this one is our gray color. This one is the gray color and the typography will be 18 enter and regular. So this one is our typography, enter 18 and regular, that means normal, and we'll have no padding from anywhere and have some negative padding negative margin on the top side and also button side. This one will be 20, and we have that one also have few negative padding from the button side, so it will be something like 20 is great. So this one is looking good. This one is also looking good. Okay, so now we can move on that section, and it will have some padding from the button side. It will be 30. I think 30 is enough. No, that one will be 40. And now we can move on that section. This one we have a background, which one is white background, full white background. So that one we have white background, and this one will have the border radius also. It will have white background, fully proper white background. Oh, this one is not. We have a white background. It will be a 0, and that one will white will be like that wide. It will 1200, and that white will be 1200. That one is 1200. Okay, so let's see that one. That one is 1200. Is will be looking good. So it's 1200. Okay, so now we can have that background color white. So let's see that one, how it is. So this one will has not any space on that here, so any structure or any title here, so for that reason it's showing is like this. So 12.1 is not perfect for this container, so let's delete that one, and this one is our last container. Duplicate that one, and it will not have any text or something like this. So this one will have 0. Okay, so it will have some padding from that both sides. So we can also add another container on that container. So this one will be lower like oh, lower like that one is the problem. Yep, I got it. So that one is perfect, no problem. That one will have the 100% word. That let's delete that one, and the background will not in that container. This background will not in that container, so we need to decrease that one. We also need to delete that background, and the background will be on that container, in the full container. Outside of that container, the background will be this one is the background color will be on that background, and the overlap of background overlay will be on that section. So this one is good. So it will have some few negative spacing. It will have center cover, no repeat, and now that one is good. And this in this section will have that white background color, and it will have border radius also. That one will have from the top side will be like 50. Yeah, it will be 50, and that one also will be also 50. So this one is look good. So in that container will be 2 containers, something like it will on that horizontal option. It will from the starting. Let's make that one space between. So now let's add that another container here. In that container it will be 1 container, and duplicate that container, so we have 2 container on that container. So first one will be image. So this one is our first container, and it will have a spacing. So that one will have a border. So that one will be 50. So sorry, not 550. And we will have an image on that option in that section. So this one will have not any padding from here, so that one will be normal. So the image will be this image, so let's download that one. This one is downloaded, and upload the image here. Upload that one. So this one is now this one will on the left side, and it will have that much space. That one is perfect, and the space between will be 20. Sorry, that one is the space between 20 gap. And now we can do that one. So this one is our title. So let's add a title. It will on that center version. This row will on that center and that left direction. So and that one will on that vertical direction. So let's add first title here. This one is our title, and company name. This one is the font. That one is the font name. So let's make that font name here, search that name here. So this one is our font, and the color is gray, and the typography is 46 normal. It will be 46, and that one is in normal. So that one is looking good. So let's give that color. And second one will have a divider, something like spacing divider here. It will have a divider here, and the space between 28 will be something like this, that much on that much, and the style will be, it will on that left side and solid, and the color will be, this one is the color, and the white will be 3 4. That one is enough, and not have any gap. So make that one 0. And now we need to have that lorem ipsum text, something like paragraph here. So drop that one here, and this one is the divider will on that top side. So this one is perfect. The text will be this, paragraph text will be this, and spacing is good enough, I think. So let's make that one spacing little lower. So this one we have some padding from the right side, like 30, like 40. That one is looking good. So it will be enter 16 regular, and that gray color. So the text will be text color will be this on that left direction. The text color is this, which picked the wrong color. So typography will be enter, and it will be 16 and regular. So that one is good. So now we need to copy that button and paste it over here. So the text is totally same. That one is looking good, perfect. So that one is perfect. Now we can move on that and last section, which one is contact us section. So this one is looks good. This one is pretty much same. So let's make that one similar. So this one will be a section. It will be on the top direction. The group one will be this. This one is our gradient. So this one will our background overlap. So let's make that component, download that one. So this one is good. So the background color will be white. This one will be white, and that overlap will be the bicycle. This one is the overlap. So this one is looking good. It will be center direction, cover, and no repeat. And that opacity will be a little bit lower. Yep, that one is good. So now we have to have some negative padding, some padding. This one have some padding from here. So this one have some padding, I think 80. So let's make that one padding like 80, and from the button will be same 80. So this one's good. Oh, from the top will not have any padding because here is not have any padding. So at first we'll have that one, and second one will be this. So let's add a container here. This one will our first container, this one. So this container have some padding. So this container will our first container will have some will have the background color. So this one is our background color, this one is our background color. So copy that one and paste it over here. Okay, so this one's look good, and the border radius will be on the top button side, it will be 50, and it will be also 50. So this one looks good, and the padding will be from the top will be 120. Sorry, that one is margin. So from the top will be 120, not 120, 100. I think 100. That one is good. I think 100, and button will be also 100, and the left and right side will be 20, and the right side will be also 20, and the top and bottom, this one is the same one. So let's copy that one and paste it over here, and also this one, copy that one and paste it over here. So this one's same, total same. So just copy that style and that text. This one is our second one, that one's perfect. So now we need to have another container, which one will have a control from, and another one will some details. So let's add a container here. So the container will be here. So let's see, this one is our first container, this one is our first container, and that one is our second container. And in that container direction will be from the left side, and it will be on the space between, and we have the top side from the top side. So let's add a container in that container. So this one is our container in that container. So let's have a container in that container. So our container is, oh, that one is, that one will have on that container, that one will have on that container, it will text will be from upside. Okay, now it's good. So first one will be, oh yeah, on that container we will have a container, single container, and we will duplicate that one again. So this now we have two container in that container. So let's have some 0 padding from each side, and that one will have some padding from each and every side. So it's good. So at first we need to have the container contact form created, but we will do that later. At first we will do this one. So for that reason we have to search that list option. In list option will go here, and the first one will be mail address. This one is our mail address, and we will upload the email, something like envelope. So this one is our envelope. So upload that one and delete the other one, and let's duplicate that one. Second one will be the text, and this one is our text, and the text will be as the phone number will be contact number like phone. This one is our phone. Yep, it's look good. And this one is the address. So last one will be the address. So this one is address, and the direction will be location. Map. This one is the direction icon. So everything is corrected, and now the color will be and if 16 regular, so go there, and the icon color will be white, proper white, and let's make that text fast. It will be no shadow. It will be the typography will be the enter, not enter, 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 and it will be 16 and regular format. Okay, so the color will be white color, proper white color, and some let's have some space between the list. This one is perfect. No, this one is not perfect. It will be 20. Okay, so the icon will be like 16, and that one is perfect. Let's make that one 20. 20 is looking perfect, I think so. Yep, and have some gaps on that one. Okay, so it will be on the left side and center position, and update that one. Okay, so now we have that one, and now we need to do that form. So for that form we need to go to that our dashboard, go to dashboard and go to contact form and add new form, and this one is the form. We need to have 1 2 3. First one will be the email, second one will be your name, email address, and subject, and the subject will be this one. So let's make remove that one. We don't need subject. We will collect the phone number, email address, and the telephone number. Okay, so let's make that one, phone, your name, email address, and subject, and submit. Okay, so we don't have any text on that one, so delete the text over vertex. This one is deleted, and save that one. Okay, so now we don't need to have the message body. Your message don't need to have, don't need it. So now we can copy that shortcode from here and go to our dashboard, and here we need to search shortcode. So this one is the shortcode here. Drop the shortcode here and save that one. Now it's looking pretty unusual, so this one looks not good. This one looks not good, so let's make that one something more attractive. So at first we need to see that one here. This one is looking good, so let's show that see the one here. So this one is not looking perfect how actually we want, so we will do that one. This one is the section, it will be white, and let's make that one will be white format and 100% white. This one is, for that we need to have use some custom coded. Okay, the level is not 100%, so let's make that 100% white, 100%. Okay, so now it's have 100% wide. So now we need to have the label. This one is span and put type. So it will have the border radius will be 20 pixel. Let's make that one 30 pixel, and border will be none. Okay, and height will be 30 pixel. Let's make that have more height, like 40 will be great, definitely great. That one, no, that one is not. Let's make that one 45, and that one looks good now. Yep, that one looks good. So copy that one, that style, and came back on our landing page, and again search here HTML. So drop it here and right here style style and close that one and drop it here. So update that one, and now it's not 100% because we did not add the label white. This one will be white, that one will be 100% level. So level will be, let's have a custom class here on that level. So it will be CLAWS class is equal to double quotation, and it will be 20 city contract 7 style. So this one is our class, so copy that one, drop it here and drop it here also, and save that one and copy that style, and there we need to paste it here. So paste it here, have space and have a dot here. So save that one, and that one will work when we will reload that one. So we have reloaded that one. Go down, see it's working now. Its actually style came from the class name. So this way it's work, and that one is the proper way to do that one. And now we need to have another one like white. So for that reason, we need to go there, and this one we need to have a white 100% white. So add that one, and white will be 100%. So it's looking perfect now. We are working like pros. So drop the upload that style here. So this one looks good. Yeah, but it definitely looks good. Okay, it looks good. Okay, so now we need to do some style here on that pattern, then it will be perfect. So this one is like showing here submit. So let's make that one on the send option. So send and update that one and go there, reload that one, and go there, and this one is the one. Let's make that one white 100%, then it will be looking perfect. So background will be none. Okay, border will be 2 pixel solid, and white color code is 6F or 3F. Okay, so height will be 45 pixel, and border radius will be 30 pixel, and color will be text color will be white color 23123. Okay, and the font white will give it later. So it's looking perfect, I think. So that one looks good. So let's copy that one and drop that one style here. Okay, update that one, and for the style, for the text size, we can take that one. So this one style will be let's search that style. Okay, we can take that one from here. This one is the style and white color. So the style, the font family will be this, and font weight will be 600 and font size will be 20 pixel. Padding will be 15 pixel. 0 pixel. Okay. And height will be 85, not 85. Let's update that one and fix that one here. It's updated and reload that one, and the style size will be a little bit lower. Let's make that one 50, and padding will be a little bit lower, and padding will be none. It will be padding none. So the height will be this. Padding will be none and height will be 50. So now this one is perfect and it have in perfect format. So we need to have some padding on that one. So this one on the full container, this one, I think this one, yep. So the background overlap cover, okay, this one's perfect, but we need to have some button padding, something like 120. And overlap is center, no repeat, it's cover. Okay, update that one and let's see the view. Reload that one. So see, it's looking perfect, and we can view that one on our private browser. So here is the proper output. So this one is pretty much same. So now that one is not 100% responsive. We will do that later. So this one is not 100% responsive. So we will take that one responsive in our next video. After that, bye bye, take care. And if you have any issue and if you need any help, feel free to comment on that video. Bye bye.